I want to tell you another story about how house coaching works in the business of interior design. So, I was in Miami and I was working on the floor with the staff, and this woman comes in and looks completely different than the other woman in Miami. She was wearing no makeup, flat shoes, pair of jeans, and a white t shirt. And she didn't look happy. She just came into the store and with lifeless eyes, she just walked around. And I approached her and I said, as a house coach, do you know what you're looking for? Because again, if I don't know, I can't help her. And she said, well, I'm looking for furniture for my new apartment. And I said, excuse me for being so frank with you, but you don't seem happy. Usually people who come in here and they look for something for a new apartment, they really vibrate with happiness, and you don't seem to do that. So is it a hard decision for you? She said, yes, it is, because I don't know how long I'm going to stay. I come from New York, and now I've moved to Miami because of my work, and I don't really know what I'm going to do here, how long I'm going to stay, if I'm going to have roots here or not. As an empathic house coach, I said, oh, I really understand. That must be a huge decision. But do you know what kind of style you like? Do you know who you are? Like, do you know what you like and what you dislike? Because sometimes it's difficult to figure out what we do like, but it's very easy to figure out what we don't like. So I actually have a tool. I'm a house coach here from Scandinavia to visit. And if you would give me just 5 minutes of your time, I can help you make decisions with the heart and not with the mind. And she agreed. We got to the computer and I said, here's something called Pinterest. She knew. And then I said, please show me 6 images of a living room where you would never live, like never. And she said, this. Then, please show me 6 images, if anything was possible, where you would love to live. And again, I just typed in living room. She said, oh, this and this and this and this. I could tell, because I'm an interior designer, that what she was looking for was something that was minimalistic, organic, very simple, like she was dressed, because you are a mirror of where you live. So I said, can you see that what you are wearing today is actually how you would like to live today? And maybe you would come in another day dressed differently and you would find other images. But today, this is a mirror of you. And she said, yes. Wow. And then she felt seen, accepted, and validated. And I said, okay, so for your living room, what you just picked out 6 images, we do actually have in the store. You don't have to buy with us, not now, not ever. But if you want to, we can help you come up with a proposal. And then I called in some of the creative staff. They gave her a proposal, and she bought everything for her apartment from that store. She chose to purchase with a heart and not with a fear-based mind. And that's what I love about house coaching.